Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to download and install the Roblox app on mobile in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to add Roblox to your phone, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To download and install the Roblox app on mobile, first of all, open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the search bar. Now, type Roblox and search for it. From the search results, find the app developed by Roblox Corporation. Now, tap on the install button if you are using Android, or get if you are using an iPhone. Wait for the installation process to complete. It may take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap on Play or Open button to launch the Roblox app. Now, sign in with your Roblox account or create a new account to start playing.